Okay, so we are looking at lesson 4.6, and it's on page 267, and we're talking about our regrouping strategy that we learned so far. So first off, it says draw quick pictures to model each problem. And it says down here to read the following problem, okay? Jason scored 35 points in one game and 47 points in another game. How many points did Jason score? And they want us to draw quick pictures to solve. So of course we are adding, we are joining together, and our numbers are 35 and 47. And they want us to draw quick pictures. So when we're adding, I like to put another line here. And in our top section here, we're going to put what number? Using base 10 blocks. 35. Okay. So here's my 35. And then in this bottom portion, what number are we going to put? 47. So there's my 40. And here's my 7. Now if I'm regrouping, okay, we're going to join these together. So first, let's start with our ones. How many ones do we have total here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can I have 12 ones in there? No. The most ones I can have in there are 9. So I can't have 12 ones in there. So what I need to do is I need to make a 10. I need to take 10 of these and glue them together and move them over to the 10s. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's take those 10. And we're going to pretend to glue them all together. Glue those ones together. And send it over here to make another 10. Now, how many ones do we have left here? Yeah, those are gone. We have 2 left. Okay, now let's add up how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we get 82. So Jason scored 82 points. And you can kind of just squeeze that in down here. Jason scored 82 points. Make sure you have a capital letter and a period. Then we're going to move on to the second part. We're going to repeat the activity with this next problem with Patty. It says Patty scored 18 points. Then she scored 21 points. How many points did she score in all? So again, I'm going to draw my line. Okay. And what the first number I need to draw on the top or what? Is what? 18. So that's just going to be 1 10 and 8 ones. And then it says, then she scored 21 points. So I'm going to put 21 down here. Okay. Now we're going to go to the ones column and we're going to join together because we always are joining together in addition. So how many ones do we have? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have just 9 here. Do we need to regroup? No, we don't. We don't have enough ones to glue them together and make a 10. All right, so for this one, we don't need to regroup. Okay. Then let's add our 10s. What's 1 plus 2? 3. So our sum is 39. The question says, how many points did she score in all? And we're going to put, she scored 39 points in all, period. Okay, let's go ahead and flip the page over. We have a dolphin. This is page 268. And it just breaks apart what we did in steps. So if we are adding, follow along with me, if we are adding 59 plus 24, okay, the first thing we do is add the ones. All right, so here down here is our 59 and our 24, and here are our base 10 blocks. So up top is the 59, and here's the 24. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add the 9 and the 4. And what is 9 plus 4? 13. Very good. 13. So if we look over here, whoa, 13. We can't have 13 ones in here. We need to take 10 of those ones, glue them together, and make another 10. So that's what has happened here. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then we're adding up the 10s. 1 plus 5 plus 2, which is 8. So with that new 10 we made, now we have a total of 8 up here. And that's what it's showing here. So it just shows 9 plus 4 is our 13. And then we need to add 1 10 plus 5 10s plus 2 10s. And we get a sum of what? 83. Okay. So now let's look down here. We always start with our ones columns when we are regrouping, okay, when we're adding this way. What is 2 plus 9? 11. Yes, 2 plus 9 is 11 ones. So 11 has 1 10 in it and 1 1. There's our 11. Okay, now we need to add our 10s. What is 1 10 plus 4 10s plus 2 10s? 7. Very good. So our sum is 71. Let's look at number 2. What is 1 plus 4? 5. Very good, 5. Do we need to regroup? No, we only have 5 ones total. Okay. Now let's add our 10s. What's 3 plus 1? 4. 4. So our sum is 45. Okay. Let's look at 3. What's 7 plus 5? 12. Yes, 7 plus 5 is 12. 12. So 12 has 1 10 in it and 2 1s. So I had to make a 10 and put it over here. Now let's add the 10s. What's 1 10 plus 2 10s plus 4 10s? 7. So our sum is 72. Okay, good job. Now look for part 2 on the video. Part 2 of lesson 4.6, and we'll go over the rest of the lesson.